大家早上好。Today teacher will teach you on how to do these two things. First, how to draw an atomic structure. Second, how to write the electron arrangement. Okay, first I would like to use oxygen. The symbol of oxygen is capital O. Given in the periodic table, 8 proton number and 16 nucleon number. This is the nucleon number or relative atomic mass. For human, we used to say that I am 50 kg, my body weight. But for element, we cannot say the element has body weight. We must state its relative atomic mass. Okay, first, I take out this symbol. Now, I would like to find the number of P proton, E electron, and N neutron. Easily, for proton and electron, I just take the number up here. Number 8 referring to the proton number. And also the number of electron. As simple as that. Number on top of the symbol referring to proton and electron. Now, what should I do to find the neutron? So, I just simply take this bigger number down here minus with the upper number here. So, 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. So, by calculating the number of proton, electron, and neutron, I can simply draw its atomic structure. To draw the electron number in the diagram, you must follow this rule. Just for electron, this special case only for electron, we use this formula 2.8.8. Means the first electron shell contain only 2 electrons. Then the extra another 8. Maximum 8 electrons can be put into the second electron shell. And the third one is the third electron shell, which can only maximum occupy for 8 electrons only. So now let me draw the first diagram. For oxygen, okay, first I draw the nucleus and I put capital O for oxygen. Next, I'm going to draw electron, 8 electrons inside this diagram. I need to obey this formula, 2.8.8. So first, I know that I need to locate 8 electrons. So first, I draw the electron shell. Okay, the first electron shell can only occupy 2 electrons only. So I draw 2 electrons up here. I have another 6 balance of electrons that I haven't drawn yet. Another 6. So 6 electrons I should draw in the second electron shell. So what should I do now is I draw the second electron shell. And I draw another 6 dots representing electrons. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm done with this. So let us check. First electron shell only has 2 electrons. I obey this formula too. Second electron shell, I have 6 electrons. Occupy the second electron shell. Only 6 here. Maximum is 8. Doesn't matter if it is less than 8. As long as it is less than 8 or equal to 8, you can still draw inside the second electron shell. So in this case, for oxygen, we don't need to draw the third electron shell because I have only 8 electrons overall. So let me label for you. This is electrons. This is electron shells. Electron shells, I have drew 2. So I label the first and second. This is the atomic nucleus. Nucleus contains of proton and neutron. Alright, now this is the atomic structure I have done. Now I want to write the electron arrangement. So in the first shell, I have 2 electrons. And in the second shell, I have another 6. 2 plus 6 is 8 electrons. So same as before that I found it. Electrons is only 8. So this is the electron arrangement. Second way of doing is you have to draw the number of proton and neutron located at the nucleus. So to draw the second diagram, we know that we have 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So what we have to do is the same thing. We just need to enlarge the nucleus. We know that we have 8 protons. So I draw 8 positive because proton is positive charge. Eight protons inside the nucleus. And at the same time, I need to draw for neutron. Neutron also 8. Neutron male charge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how should I draw the electrons? Just follow the same step as I shown just now. So I need to draw the first electron shell, has maximum of 2 electrons. Then the second electron shell, maximum 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 ways of drawing. First, we just draw and show the number of electrons by obeying the formula 2.8.8, or second diagram. The second step of drawing the atomic structure is we open all. We show every little single number of proton, neutron, and electron.